taşına, toprağına bin can.
I remember everything we shared. The laughter, the warmth, the light that always reached me, even through the cold. My sister has always seen the best in me, even when I couldn't see it myself. But the world outside our bond has never understood. My gift, my curse, it freezes what I touch, and often who I love. People see power, but they don't feel the weight it brings. Sometimes I dream of freedom, to walk among others without fear, to let my heart thaw in their warmth. But maybe true freedom isn't escaping who I am. It's learning to accept it.
Years inside a block of ice, until an Eskimo tribe found me in the far north. Slowly, I became one of them. But Rose is still in my heart. I think of her every day. The pain has become unbearable. So I've decided to build a boat and risk my life to reach her.